What is up? All right. If you're looking at this video right now, then you're most likely um, on my channel page, right? Checking it out, seeing what it's all about. And let me just stop you. Before you go any further, you need to join my Discord. Okay. My Discord is 100% free. We have free indicators, free strategy PDFs, free one-on-ones, free text one-on-ones. We will review your trades. We have free live streams. I mean, we have everything you need to be successful for 100% free in my Discord right now. So all you need to do is go ahead and click the link in the bio and join my Discord. All right. And that's going to be what you should do next. All right. After that, you can come back here to the channel, check everything out. I have 100 days of back testing for our high probability trend scalping strategy. And then I upload a video on something related to forex trading every Tuesday. I upload a strategy review every Monday, and I try to get a short uploaded every day. So thanks for coming by and stopping, checking out the channel. Make sure you subscribe, join the Discord, and I hope to see you on the yacht.